Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the students of Army Public School Kota, are presenting a special assembly to solemnize Kargil Vijay Divas, celebrated every year on 26 July to commemorate the success of Operation Vijay. The operation launched by the Indian Army to clear the Kargil sector, which was infiltrated by Pakistani army and terrorists. The Kargil conflict witnessed some of the most daring acts of bravery by the valiant soldiers of Indian Army. Most notably, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, 18 Grenadiers, Paramveer Chakra, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, 111 Gorkha Rifles, Paramveer Chakra, Captain Vikram Batra, 13 Jack Rifles, Paramveer Chakra, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, 13 Jack Rifles, Paramveer Chakra, Captain Anuj Nair, 17 Regiment, Mahavir Chakra. Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari, 18 Grenadiers, Mahavir Chakra, Captain Hanifuddin, 11 Rajputana Rifles, Veer Chakra, Major Mariappan Sarvanan, 1 Bihar, Veer Chakra, Squadron Leader Ajay Ahuja, Indian Air Force, Veer Chakra, Havaldar Chunni Lal, 8 Jack Lai, Veer Chakra, and also awarded Sena Medal for Gallantry, and posthumously awarded Ashok Chakra as Naib Subedar, and many more other soldiers. We feel overwhelmed by the sense of pride and honor to be a part of the army family of the gallant soldiers, pushing us to live in accordance with the traditions of discipline, integrity, and selflessness of Indian Army. Words will never be enough to express our gratitude for the soldiers who sacrificed their today for a better tomorrow. Today, on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, we would like to give a small tribute to them.
O God, give me clean words and clean thoughts. Help me to stand for the hard drive against the easy wrong. Save me from habits that harm and teach me to work as hard and to play as fair in the sidelong. Forgive me when I'm unkind and help me to forgive those who are unkind to me. Keep me ready to help others as some cost to myself and give me chances to do some good every day. Thank you.
India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Priyanshi Sharma of class 10th B. On the occasion of 22nd Kargil Divas, the victory of martyrs and the souls of 527 valiant soldiers, the soldier above all others prays for peace, for it is the soldier who must suffer and bear the deepest wounds and scars of war. I repeat my thought. The soldier above all others prays for peace, for it is the soldier who must suffer and bear the deepest wounds and scars of war. Thank you. And
our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who dies protecting it. Good morning. Today Ashishti of class 7D is going to express my views on Kargil Vijay Divas through a poem titled Unknown Guardians. I do not know your name, nor for which battle you died. I do not know your home, nor the tears that were cried. I do not know where you rest, nor the promises broken. I do not know your uniform and your fiercely unspoken. But I know your spirit exists, that your courage is admired, and your sacrifice is honored by each soul that inspired. And I offer you from my heart, thank you to the guardians unknown for offering yourself for us all, that we may keep freedom our home. So at last I would like to say, duty of a soldier is not to die for his country, but to make his enemy die for it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Today, Kartik of class 9th is going to speak some lines on Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is named after the historic success of Operation Vijay. On this day, 26 July 1999, India successfully could recuperate high outposts which had been lost to Pakistani intruders during the Kargil invasion. It is to be noted that the Kargil war was fought for 60 days and it ended on 26 July. Even though there were high losses of lives on both sides, Pakistan did suffer greater casualties along with international diplomatic humiliation. The true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. आओ देश का सम्मान करें, शहीदों की शहादत याद करें, जो कुर्बान हो गए मेरे देश पर, उन्हें सर झुकाकर सलाम करें. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.
नमस्कार, मैं हृदयांशु कक्षा 10वीं द का छात्र आपके समक्ष कारगिल दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ. अधिकार जताने की साजिश को कुछ ऐसे नाकाम किया, घर में आए दुश्मन का वीरों ने काम तमाम किया. होगा अपना कश्मीर, होगा अपना कश्मीर, जिसने ये ख्वाब सजाया था, मांग रहा था माफी उस दिन वो घुटनों पर आया था. शायद उसने सोचा होगा, शायद उसने सोचा होगा हम हिंदुस्तानी डर जाएंगे, लड़ने के खातिर ना कभी हम आगे कदम बढ़ाएंगे. मगर हमारे योद्धाओं ने उन्हें ऐसी धूल चटाई, कुछ ही दिनों में उनकी थी अकल ठिकाने आई. लड़ते लड़ते शहीद हुए भारत माँ के कुछ लाल, अंत समय तक बनी रहे भारत माँ की ढाल. एक बार फिर से हमने दुश्मन को मार भगाया था, कारगिल की चोटी पर तिरंगा शान से लहराया था. विजय दिवस पर वीरों की कुर्बानी को हम याद करें, रहे सलामत वीर हमारे, मिलकर ये फरियाद करें. धन्यवाद.